see the nonsense of the industry. I try I say no. If you gang up of people gang themselves up where they just won't fight one person. Just because that person be creative. Just because that person, what they do, they never see for the industry inside before. So gang up. They gang and they won't just do things and make people say, oh, this guy, they what they do, you know, get sense. This guy, they, I like him. You see, I don't get sense, but I get money past plenty Ghana artists. Forget that thing where people, you want to talk, say, shut up there, they brag it. I go brag to you, people make you say, I get time. Not be playing. Your artist when they talk, say, he get time, he do himself. If he did the way every time, he show, he say, no get sense. And maybe because he be somebody where industry bring him up. No? So when he do something, he be right. Just check what Corona season. Coronavirus season. Corona. We government they fight. That when we the arts people, few musicians where they say the musicians of Ghana, where they make money. That when them they don't do beef. Are you people not stupid? Are you people not like you are not okay? If you say government, what did you have government? Or if you say then you go talk say you are because you are bored, you don't have anything to do. You don't have anything to do. If Shatta fit sit down, put money and do in fact concert for your house. You people when you say they get money, can't you do something in your house? Just to create awareness, just for people to see that no, Charlie. The thing we Shatta do, make we all follow and do Charlie, that be the only way. At least, you know, the small money we will get for you to go to pick by some rice, something and support, you know, some people. But all of you, all the Ghana artists way, if one person they do something there, you put the go follow him. If this person do it, you put the go follow him. They sound like, so you don't feel reason for yourself. You don't feel reason for yourself. If you say you alone make board, the president of Ghana himself, he make board, papa. Shake about doing I know. They wa. What's your person wa Magana ye? Emma me know. Who did know ya Magana? Then I will ya Magana. You're not doing anything for Ghana. All you know to do is create confusion. As president, they take in salary, they pay. They take in things, they pay. Me, Shatta, yeah, they donate, they do things, they do things. Tomorrow, they send things, go police stations, make the share for people that they sell. Tomorrow, people need food to chop. Chris Wado, they do some. Medical, they do some. That's the only three artists who are going to talk to. We get money past any Ghana artist for Ghana here. If anybody go like, make it go pay fee. You know be brag at the brag. You know be talk at the talk. But it go pay you say they talk this thing. Because your artists where they there, you know if you do this things. That's what they all your artists, what they do for Ghana. All they know how to do is create beef. And they say JQ, and they say and this thing, JQ they battle this one, and this one they battle this one, and this one they battle this. At this time of Corona, Charlie, you see sense the only place sense day for Ghana beware the government and in people they like nurses, doctors, lawyers, judges, you know, companies with the work. That's where sense day. But see when it comes to our arts and culture side, no, that's so essential they there. Because too much favoritism. If somebody they go do a Shatta, you know, the way they talk, the way they talk. So if I can make a man talk, make people hear. We did. They can't do my faith concert. I see a whole lot of distractions. And no, they won't promote something. Make it just cover my faith concert. So say they, Charlie, my faith concert I don't do for you people, you Ghana artists. I do for Ghanaians. Ghana artists, mo need sika mo di beye. Mo yon here for. Mo need sika mo di beye. Mo bre. Sa fake life from one leading nko fo. Obi ehun. Se corona na so. Dia na mo chiche. Dia na mo di ma mo fans. What are you doing to help your fans? Those people who sweat in their armpit to come and jump and shout your names at stadiums, conference centers. What are you doing for them? And you wake up and you won't come fight somebody like me. See, me, I already sing song and I talk for instance. Me, I always be a fighter. Nobody, no, this Ghana industry, nobody go show me something. Unless maybe Nigeria in music industry. Unless Nigeria, the way they go show me something. But I see Ghana. You three warm. at this time. Then today I do interview for Miss G in TV Top. They say Sarkodie threw some punch for me. I see me on the buko. He throw punch. Then Miss G too, as he talk like you don't feel anywhere about him. Say, Bashata, don't you think this is not the right time for beef and stuff like that? You know, see him because most of these people, it be them they build Sarkodie. This industry, it be them they make Sarkodie. Me, nobody for this industry make me. But I get friends for the inside. I get friends. Most of them are my friends, but none of them take them a time and make me. Because the maker way he make me, he big pass anything for this world. When they say throw punch for me, then he be topic. So they talk Sarkodie throw punch for Shatta Wale. Hey, the time when you come out, bandana from Ghana, make people go ask your Sarkodie. He they call me, make a find producer for him. He call me, he make a go find producer for him. I've been singing when it comes to music. So that nonsense thing they do for their life, you know, if you didn't know, they won't do, you won't jab. Make somebody tell him. This time when I see him, it be belt. Where I go take belt to ship him. I go beat him like my kiddie. It's like me to go report for police station after the talk. I go beat him like my kiddie. Because see, that's nonsense. When we did very sad times where we all think about how we could do things. Then somebody won't behave some way. You won't behave like him, the thing they go on the sea. It be this time where you go beef. It be this time where you go. This time where people they die. People they die. Nobody say Ghana alone, the world. They complain. They go bring something where some people they do for America where they do Swiss beats and in people they do for America where them they pay them. They go copy and come Ghana say make the as if you create something so I call them I mean country we won't name you. We are my junior brother. I mean my exam 10 years aba as I be rebranding as I be hitting yes catch so you know be my co-equal. You know my size. I swear, you know be my level. So if a day where sometimes you put one behave some way and just pretend as if what they go on, you know this. If it be me, where I do this track this season, like go see bloggers where they go copy. Bloggers go they insult me here and there. Bloggers go they diss me here and there. Say me I no get sense. As they do at this time, which blogger is she say he write a Sarkodie, this thing you do sense no day inside. You know be the right time. Nobody. And if you say the president and the government, the big men for the town, no they watch. They watch all these things. They say some Ghana music industry. They need answer back one. Reggie, it was a talk. You can't do video. Me and Stoneboy will be the only dancer artists. Make a count with they go fit count with. But you make it check. You can't do Lord Kenya come. Hey Reggie, make I tell you. You see, before you go come to Ghana can rap. People they rap for Ghana. People they rap for school. People they rap. No be you can't do it. Your hip life self. Ask yourself what impact will it create? You take Afrobeat self go international. You mean somebody know hip life for international? Or people they want listen hip life. Don't come and lie to Ghanaians. We are tired. All of you see Ghana, make a tell you see Ghana artists. They live too much fake life to themselves. That's why they don't even show where they stay. They don't even show where they stay. You guys Ghana see where we don't want to show those things. You don't get some. That's why no people show up. Your fans will help you. Your fans will support you. They live fake life to them. Then there's some artists to go to come up. Then they go to follow that fake life. Then they go live that fake life. They play show. They need to pay them. You go see TV talking. Charlie, she said the show on a broom show. Charlie, she said Charlie Sikabiyama. Who can check ya? A belly can catch here. She can't appear guy. A belly can catch here. A burning catch here. She can't hear the chow. No, I be telling you, Charlie, she said the show's Dawson. My people, make we think, make we reason. You see this thing, it go on too much and it be mess for we. Me, my fans no say it no be mess for me because me, I did make money and give my fans home. Or they make my fans say, Charlie, the show where people help me play from January to December, this is what I get to. If you take some, make I take some. How many of you they follow artists? Then if you say the artists they do something because of something they watch it. Hey, coronavirus will come. Ask your artist say what he donate. In mob bragging or what he take do. Huh? What he do? You know what he do? What he do? He did them, he was only be so obi. The bia who bragging. Into Reggie, then you can't talk, say, you do this, you do that, you do that. Reggie, make I tell you something. Me, I know the hide things, you understand me? All your hip life thing, you the take watch it for your day, no? Your achievement, you watch it. Your achievement, you watch it. Don't come tell me, say, I don't know, I make mistake for anywhere. You know if you tell me, say, I make mistake. You don't know this industry past me. Come watch it. Come tell me something. You don't come motivate anybody with anything. You don't come motivate anybody with anything. Trust me. You don't come and be doing this thing. Don't come and be lying to people. Don't come and be slanging. Plenty Ghana, I not say slangs, they kill them slangs. Even our Nigeria, here, no, if Nigerian man come Ghana, or more, it kill Ghana guy. Oh, the guy say more. I know Ghanaians be so with the Ghanaians. Most of them, yeah, we like brothel. So people come from Ghana, but me say your brothel to me that. Me, I say, your hip life, you don't make impact go anywhere. You don't make impact go anywhere. The fake life you can't live, that's what cycle they live. The fake life you can't live, that's what most of the artists they live. That's why somebody sing, then you stop, then you travel. You go there some place, because see the shy say, Charlie, hey, so you don't make money for this thing, sir. Yes, if your fake life, you ready your soon. And they talk to you, ready your soon, your fake life. Your fake life. If people say, you get impact. Why you not do your thing when you go join VVIP? Why you not do your thing when you go join VVIP? Don't get some ghetto credibility and say, yeah, you do, you get VVIP. Don't do that. Don't come and lie to the youth. We are grown. It be 2020 where we did right now. People that my mind go. It be 5G where they create right now. The mind they speed up. Don't come and do those things and feel say, yeah, they do something and they want help the country. Don't do that. The government is watching. Our art industry is playing too much and it's being silly. They are not thinking as human beings, as rational beings. They are thinking like, yes, okay, the thing that you do, okay, no, I mean, for fake I'm small, for fake I'm. Even the fake I'm too, you know what make people see say they fake I'm. They won't lie to the people. You know how many people where they see musicians, where they want to be musicians, where right now they come to the industry inside, where they retire. Girls, boys, people, they retire. Because they watch Sarkodie. They watch you, Reggie or Stone. If Shatta can't talk, I will not say Shatta in character. No? Shatta get money past you people. Money no be anything. That's why they share. Money no be anything. That's why they fit buy anything for my fans. Money no be anything. Be God first. But I won't tell you, if you know God, that be when you go get money. If you get bad mind, you know go get money. You go tiger. If your friend do, you go jealous him, you go envy him. People say be creative. As this coronavirus come now, people for setup. As I start this, say I go do this virtual concert set. If people be wise people, like people for start to research and say no, Charlie, you could see Shatta. Or like Shatta get some mind, get some mind. But then they want to distract them and they meet up here too. So I go there. I dey tell you something. If you go to do, you go jab. Me, I go beat you. I go, this is not a report for police station. I go beat you, make they lock me. I go beat you. Me boo. We are calling. What's that? No, we are besides another. Me boo. Me boo. Because I say, you know the thing. In times of corona, maybe another time where they do me this beef thing, I go take them normal. But time when people they die, you won't come. If you say president they watch Twitter where they say the musicians they fight, they do beef. If you say go German, it was then people add me to this foolish music industry way they. You know they see the way God they work. They ban me, John and a whole lot of people. They say they ban Shatta Wale, they ban me, so John a whole lot of people. Right now coronavirus ban everybody. Me my God that they worship, I no sleep. It means they make the sea they roll like this. You see the waves every time. My God, you no sleep. He go show you wonders. Me I talk to 2020 Ghana be one miracle. Miracle no munya ya kra. More. But someone china mo no. Nyame bet sia so. Nyame obet chemu to me. Nyame obet chemu power. Jimmy mo the too much. Jimmy no mo the too much. Munjai. Let us stop this thing. Let us stop this fight. tempted by this corona thing. And people say, you are not make board. So in the president or your machine. I'm sorry, number 8, you want no man, no baby. With Jimmy Papa. You cannot support what your president is doing. But what you can support is you can for beef online because you are bored. With Jimmy Papa. When I open our board. With Jimmy fake life. Fake life, no. That's why you people are not even getting paid well. That's why you people are not getting paid well. It's nonsense. It's nonsense. Make nobody come there. Do like as I know they come like no be anything because I know they come live. And they chop money. And see the money at the chop. Sometimes I sit down and say no, make I just forget this. Because I do this thing and I make money out of it. And people they say I'm like, oh no, they'll brag. I make me brag. Yeah, go check. I know they stay Reggie, they stay on father house. I know they stay my father house. I buy my own fucking houses. No be houses. You just stay on father house. At this age, you just still stay on father house. Then you won't come tell me say what? You won't come show me something, Reggie was so where should you a plan B? Who didn't have plan D? We should see a plan B. Who are the chairman? What you have done? What have you done? No, what have you done? That would be a door, mommy. Who will be a door, mommy? If you know when I started watching music from, you can't talk. You bring a rap come Ghana. Hey, the time you come out, they may be listening hip hop artists from America. Chris Cross, those people that don't know you. You go copy people where you come here, they do like we will watch you. They say it be normal thing. My guy, don't see me like that. Don't see me like that. You are the best. You see, I the best. But sometimes, if I think small, I say, hey, shut up. God bless you. You make money. You buy things. You do things. You help people. Leave these people. So now one day, people want paint me black. My God no like her. My God no like this thing. So I will fight you people. I will fight you people. Why you put this in me? Why you put this in me? How? Why? What I do? Because I get mind past you people. When you put it fail to ask me, say, shut up. The mind you get, we go come together and do something. They make you all make money. When the shy say, go ask me. So it means you go hate. And the bloggers do they do that. They for just stay there and just forget those things. And understand one thing. Understand me? If I just open them my brains. Bloggers, I beg you. I don't say people won't make money. I don't know how much money people will make out of. They say Shatawali, they say Sarkodie jab Shatawali. So people, everybody, they say Sarkodie jab. Yeah, at this corona time, and come in a me and come in my check. And come in a me and come in true. And come in a me and come in some in school, Shatanin beer. And come in a me, this is Yanka. I'm not sure in our Kabakumbakum. Mobile bread. Because this thing can't go on forever in this industry. And shut up, yes, I stand my feet up. Make you people pray. See, one day the president will give me that opportunity. He wants to change the industry, arts and culture, and entertainment and everything. So, what be my idea? I go tell the president, make you do farm for. We make every artist go farm, make you go work. Because we don't want work. We want to make somebody work before make we can't chop. Like right now, president they work for the country. President, he now they take his salary. He now they do this. He now they do that. Then you do the beef. Make he fight the thing. So say after he fight finish, then you go fit do your show because you are bored. You are a very stupid musician to say you are bored. You are a very stupid musician to say you are bored. That you can't help the country. You can't help the president to fight this thing in your little way. You are a very stupid musician to even think like that. And if any blogger did the way they support this thing, that blogger too, try. That blogger too, try. Very stupid. See, into the support this kind of things. Me, I just say there. I don't go like you see me. I just say there. Sometimes I don't want to talk. So they see, long time people don't say me. I don't get these things off of my studio. Even money we have to take by all these things. The money we have to take by all these things. So let's be wise. Let's think. Let's stop this behavior. No matter where I go talk plenty self. I ain't know how to talk me. Make nobody can play with me. I know they play as I do. I don't they play. I talk already for my song side. People feel sad. I know they play. You understand me? I know they play. I don't care who ban me. I don't care who no like me. I don't care who say what I did talk be wrong. I know they care. So far as God say what I did talk be right. Fuck everybody. Thank you.